Welcome back friends, welcome back in another video tutorial from microbiology with Chalni. So in that video tutorial we are going to revise our concept in cholera toxin. Okay, so cholera toxin is first of all secreted by Vibrio cholerae. Okay, so Vibrio cholerae secretes cholera toxin, which is a AB type toxin. Important thing that you need to know, and it is also a exotoxin. And this cholera toxin result in huge amount of fluid loss, okay, and as a result dehydration occurs. Okay, so how cholera toxin transmitted? Cholera toxin is simply transmitted from water. Okay, so our mouth can be a fecal mouth can be a portal of entry for Vibrio cholerae. Okay, so the water will be the mode of transmission if the water is somehow contaminated with fecal matter. Okay, and this fecal matter is obviously some Vibrio cholerae infected person. Okay, so intestinal epithelium, after entering inside the host, cholera toxin will interact with intestinal epithelial cell, because remember, in intestinal epithelial cell there is a presence of receptor called GM1 ganglioside. Okay, so with the GM1 ganglioside the cholera toxin will going to interact. Okay, and as a result the over mentioned symptoms occur. But now let's discuss what is occurring in normal case when Vibrio cholerae is not present in the human body. So it is mainly known as G protein signaling. So G protein usually activates when G alpha subunit along with GTP dissociates from the G beta and G gamma. Okay, that means G beta and G gamma along with G alpha are together in a clumped form, and from them, or complex form, or also you can say, and from them G alpha along with GTP dissociates. The G alpha subunit along with that GTP activate adenylate cyclase that helps in conversion of cyclic AMP to ATP. Okay, sorry, I have made a mistake. There will be conversion of ATP to cyclic AMP, then the downstream signaling going on. We are not bothered about that. So the A subunit of cholera toxin, what it will do, it will simply take the ADP ribose from NAD, okay, and attach this ADP ribose to your G alpha subunit and block them in a one conformation, that is GTP bound state. Okay, so which result in production of huge amount of cyclic AMP, and it results in activation of the huge amount of protein kinase A in downstream signaling. Activated protein kinase A will in turn activate CFTR channel, or in turn open CFTR channel. As a result, huge amount of chlorine and ion loss will occur. Okay, and to compensate this from intestinal epithelial cell and blood vessel, huge amount of water loss is also taken place, and this huge amount of water loss in the intestinal lumen leads to diarrhea in the, or fluid loss in the human body. Okay, so that is the concept regarding cholera toxin. Again, it is AB type toxin, it is a exotoxin. It's secreted by Vibrio cholerae, and it will infect the intestinal epithelial cell. It will perform ADP ribosylation in G alpha subunit of G protein signaling, and in that way they interfere with the G alpha G protein signaling, right? So that is the concept regarding cholera toxin. So I hope this video will be helpful to you, and if it is, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like that. So thank you for friends for listening to this class.